Greetings, Evolution Travel community. My name is Ty Green, and I am with Archer Travel, Evolution Travel. I've been an agent since November of 2017, so I'm fairly new, but what I've decided to do was to start this channel and share with you my knowledge along the lines of accounting and bookkeeping to help all Evolution Travel agents be successful with maintaining their books for not only tax purposes but for financial purposes as well. So as travel agents, we are business owners because we have a home-based business. So as a business owner, you want to be able to track all of your income and all of your expenses. And you also want to know, as a home-based travel business, what your profit is. So I'm going to be using this channel to provide all of those tools for you and show you how you can set everything up to where you're managing your books as well. Now, just a little bit about my background outside of Archer Travel. I also have my own online training business, and what I do in my online training business is I train on classes on QuickBooks Online as well as Microsoft Office. So my main goal whenever I am training is to show small business owners how important it is to maintain their books, because I can't stress this enough, especially in my experiences working as an accountant and working primarily with small business owners. Small business owners tend to have great products, great ideas, great marketing, but when it comes down to managing the books, that's where some of them fall a little bit short. So I want to use my expertise in the other business, bring that business to Archer to show you that, hey, bookkeeping, while some of you may not like to do it, some of you may not want to do it, it's important. And some accountants don't really specialize in bookkeeping. They only do taxes. So I want to show you the importance of how to maintain your own books. It's not as hard as you think it may be, but you have applications such as QuickBooks Online that can do it for you if it's set up correctly. So the series of videos that I will be posting to this channel are going to be really many training sessions to show you how QuickBooks Online work, and not only to show you how it works, but to simplify it specifically for the travel business. So that's what you can expect from the videos that I post on this channel. Now, where I want to start at with this video is just getting an understanding of the Taxbot app that's in the Evolution Travel back office, as well as where to start you with choosing QuickBooks and how both apps coincide. Now, I've been doing research on Taxbot, and it doesn't look like that this app is compatible with QuickBooks Online, but I can show you, or I will be showing you rather, how you can use the information from Taxbot into QuickBooks Online. So in the back office, under our Evolution perks, of course, we know that we have the Taxbot app. Now, the Taxbot app is not the same as QuickBooks. Basically, what the Taxbot app is used for is to keep track of mileage and maybe receipts for tax purposes. Now, this is not an accounting system. This is not bookkeeping. This is primarily for taxes. But the good thing about software applications such as QuickBooks Online, this information can be used by QuickBooks for taxes. So what I mean by that is everything that you do inside the Taxbot app, tracking mileage or scanning receipts whenever you go out on business trips or whatever, this is the information that QuickBooks Online is going to need to keep track of your financial information. So first thing that I want to get you into the mindset of thinking is you don't use Taxbot just specifically for taxes. All right. It can also be used for financial purposes in your business. So that mileage that you use when you go back and forth with client meetings or business events, as well as those receipts, are very essential in setting up your books and maintaining your books as well. So as you know from the Taxbot app, we as travel agents for Evolution Travel, we get a 50% discount because we are a member of Evolution Travel, which is great. So instead of spending $10 a month for this app, you're now spending $5 a month. So this is a good app, but it's not the end all be all when it comes down to keeping your books, because Taxbot is just focusing in on taxes, which is just one aspect of the bookkeeping system for your small business. All right. So I'm not going to go in and set everything up, but I want you to show you how Taxbot is similar or related to QuickBooks Online tax-wise, but it's not the full-scale financial system for running your tax business. Now, what Taxbot does, of course, is make tax savings easy. What that basically means is Taxbot is used to track your mileage and digitally restore your receipts. So when it comes time to doing your taxes, this information that's in Taxbot is going to help answer some of the questions on your tax form in order to prepare your taxes. All right. But it is not accounting. Okay. It is not bookkeeping. It's used specifically for that purpose, which is taxes. Okay. And I understand as small business owners, a lot of you are not accountants. All right. Some of you may not be that aware of how accounting plays a role in the business aspects. However, Taxbot is a good tax application for taxes and only taxes. So as long as you track your mileage and digitally restore your receipts, that's great. This information is used for taxes. However, as a business owner, don't you think you need to know how your travel agency is performing on a daily or monthly, quarterly, or yearly basis? Well, Taxbot is not going to give you that information. Okay. However, software applications such as QuickBooks Online will, because as a business owners, we have to be responsible for all aspects of our business. And yes, that includes accounting and bookkeeping. Now, accounting and bookkeeping is the body part, the arm that drives the entire financial process of your business. So you want to see how your sales are performing every month. You want to see where your expenses are. And like I said earlier, you want to see if you're making money from this business. Well, Taxbot is not going to tell you if you're making money. The only thing Taxbot is going to do is help you store your receipts for tax purposes, which is great, but that's not the whole entire picture of your business. So what I want to use this channel to get you to understand and see is that you want control of the entire process of your business, which is going to involve bookkeeping, unfortunately. And I say unfortunately because as a business owner, okay, some of you may not be big enough to bring in individuals who can handle your books, but I just want you to see that it is important, because yes, home-based businesses have to prepare tax returns too. Yes, home-based businesses can get audited by the IRS. Yes, home-based businesses can get in trouble by the IRS if your books are not maintained. So this channel is going to focus primarily on how to use QuickBooks Online to help you get set up with your business and to help you maintain your books as simple as possible, because this is not a hard business to maintain from financially, but it's just certain things that I want to show you to set you on the right track so you can have Taxbot for your taxes, but then you can also have QuickBooks Online to manage your business financials. Now, to talk a little bit about QuickBooks Online, because I'm going to have a whole series of videos dedicated to the setup and relating it to our industry. But if we were to look at QuickBooks Online, I will put the URL to QuickBooks Online in the comment section of this video. But QuickBooks Online is based upon an online plan. And what QuickBooks Online is a bookkeeping, accounting, tax package all rolled into one. QuickBooks Online is powerful. All right. It is essential. However, QuickBooks Online needs to be set up correctly in order for it to work for you. This could be one of the easiest applications you can use in your business, because all you're doing, or the way I'm going to show you, is you enter data, QuickBooks Online keeps the data, you run reports, you know how your business is doing. That's what you need to do as a business owner. Yes, we need to market. Yes, we need to go to events. Yes, we need to do all these things. But we also need to pay attention to how our business is doing, because you don't want to spend all this money, and not see a profit. So QuickBooks Online, I'm going to show you how to use QuickBooks Online to maintain a profit. Okay, so very briefly with QuickBooks Online, I'll get into the essentials in another video. But with QuickBooks Online, you have the ability to choose your own QuickBooks Online plan. And basically there's 3 different plans that you can use. The Simple Start, which is $7 a month. QuickBooks Essentials, which is $17 a month. And QuickBooks Plus, which is $25 a month. Now, depending on how big you are in the travel business or in Evolution Travel, you may not need the Essentials. You can get by with the Simple Start. But if you're a little bit, you have a lot of income coming in, you have a lot of clients, then you may want to consider the Essentials and the Plus. But just briefly going over the differences between both of these different products, we see with the different prices that there are different levels of things that you can do with, depending on the subscription. So with the Simple Start, which is the cheapest, these are all of the things that Simple Start does. Tracks income and expenses. Look, it even maximizes tax deductions, which coincides with Taxbot. So you can use Taxbot information in the QuickBooks Online, and that'll make you even more proficient. You can invoice and accept payments, PayPal, Square, all these things that we use to keep track of money within the business. All of this information can be imported into QuickBooks Online. We can run all types of reports. So at any time, 24/7, you want to go in and see how your business is doing. Hey, there's a report inside of QuickBooks Online that you can run. It's not a tax report. It's a financial report. So if you want to see your spending on meals and entertainment, or you want to see how much money you're grossing from your all-inclusive vacations, or hotel bookings, or whatever it is that you do in your business, this is where you can go to run that report to see. You can send estimates, even though we primarily don't use estimates, but it does that. And we can track sales and tax. So all these things that you can do inside of QuickBooks Online Simple Start, and it's $7 a month. So entering expenses, tracking invoices, these are all the things that you can do inside of the Simple Start. Now Essentials is a little bit more money, but all the things that you can do inside of the Simple Start, you can do in Essentials. But these other features of Essentials include tracking sales and sales tax, managing bills for your business. So any type of bills that you have, you can manage those inside of Essentials. Multiple users. So if you are big enough to where you want to bring a bookkeeper in, okay, you can actually add that bookkeeper to your Essential subscription, and they can help you maintain your books. So you don't have to do it, but you can bring somebody in that's going to be responsible for managing your books, so you can do that through the Essentials, and you can track time. Now the Plus is a little bit more money, But basically the plus we don't really need in this business, because the plus is more geared towards retail. So if you're selling items and you're paying sales tax, then you can use the plus. All right. So these are the three basic subscriptions of QuickBooks Online that you can choose for your business. Now, depending on the size of the business, I would suggest you either use the Simple Start or Essentials. But primarily, you want to consider bookkeeping as an aspect of your business, okay? Not just Taxbot, because Taxbot is only for taxes, okay? It could be used for bookkeeping, but Taxbot is not going to give you the full scale financial picture of the business. It's just to guide you with providing all of the information that's needed to prepare your tax return. But the strength of your financials, your finances for your business, is going to lie within accounting and bookkeeping. So QuickBooks Online is a great tool for helping you manage the books of your travel business. So that's basically all I want to get into right now. In this video, I was able to show you Taxbot, give you some of the benefits of Taxbot and what it's designed to do, but the full scale finances of your business is going to come from QuickBooks Online, and this channel is going to be devoted to assisting you with setting it up correctly. So once again, my name is Ty Green with Evolution Travel since November 2017, based out of Atlanta, Georgia. And if you have any questions on this video or any future video that I produce for this channel, feel free to ask those questions in the comment section. I will also post my email and Evolution Travel websites for you, so you know how to get in contact with me.